Okay, 2-for-1 tip day. I'm real cheap and I don't like to use, I like to use ink as cheaply as possible. So I have a Brother this. Probably will work with any Brother compatible cartridge. My first tip is how to use all of the ink in the cartridge, even though, because sometimes it'll say you don't have ink when in fact you still have ink in there. This is an easy one. So I'll show you on the cyan that, I don't know if you see that little clear window at the very top there. Somehow that's how it knows whether there's ink in there. Maybe it goes up in that little black thing right there. So it tells you whether there's ink in there or not. So what you do to bypass that is you just put a piece of black tape on top of it. I don't know if you can see that. The reason I use electrical tape, but the reason it looks like that is for the next tip that I'm going to tell you. So I've been refilling cartridges for years. This is my kit that I bought off of Amazon for like $8 or whatever. It's been through the ringer, you can see. And it comes with a drill, but this one doesn't need to be drilled. I looked at how to refill these, and people talk about taking the cartridge apart and doing all this kind of stuff. You don't need to do that with these ones. So what you do is, most of them come with a syringe. I don't know if you can see this, but that's how you insert the ink in there. All you do is insert the syringe on the top of this and just put the ink straight into the cartridge. I've noticed you don't have to open it up or anything. Just shoot it straight into there and it'll refill it. I don't know the exact ounces or anything like that, so I just kind of winged it until it felt right. And then I just took a piece of tape and taped over the little hole that I made. And it's been working great. You might have to run a couple of cycles before start using. And what I had to do, there's something called, like, on the menu, wait, let me see here, maybe settings. Oh no, oh, I gotta shut this first. All right, I think it's settings. Oh no, I never remember how to do this, so I'm not gonna bother you with it. But somehow you get the menu up. You get the menu up, and then it'll say maintenance somewhere in the menus, and then it'll say like not print head alignment, but like a print test page or something. And you might have to print this test page like 6 times or something like that before the ink starts running through it again. But it will work. Mine prints beautifully now. So I hope those 2 tips were helpful and save you some money.